Otherwise, get started. So, running for everyone. API file as well as React SRC folder. Both I'm sharing in the chat. API file sent in chat. React SRC folder will also come in chat. If anything wrong, you can replace this files and folder. Now, when you open the React page directly, it came here. We will protect this. It should not come here directly. First one login page will appear. We will store some in the API file. The API we have created in node8.api.js file. Under the API.js file, we'll create API where we will keep one fixed username and password. And when someone will open this project, it will check. It will ask, login page will land. Login page will ask, are you login? If login, then see the picture. If not login, then login. Then the user will try to login. It will check on the API, this file, whether whatever the username and password is given by user, that is exist here in this file or not. If it exists, then it will allow to see, else it will say invalid something. Like without login, we are not going to. So then this page from anywhere. Okay. After logging, only anyone can see this page. So first you go to the API folder. In API folder, and this all we will integrate with the database also. Now API.post. API.post. Login check. Login check. Comma. Request. Request comma. Response. Request comma response. Request comma response. Next, after that, receive here, let email equal to request dot body dot email ID. Let pass equal to request dot body dot password. So you are receiving two input that will come from the front end. Okay. After that, you will check here if email double equal to something admin@gmail.com and pass double equal to 1 to 3. The user is going to enter the email ID and password where in the React. From the React we will send to node. And in node we are checking email is given by user, is that admin@gmail.com? And if yes, then password is given by user, is it 1 to 3? If yes, then return from here something. Okay. What we will return? We will return the data in the form of JSON. We will return the data in the form of JSON. Let me see on the top. What we have, we have something. Object, we want to send one object. Okay, no problem. Come down. Then right here, let info equal to full name admin. Full name is admin and status colon success capital. Else full name empty and status tell. Anyone will execute either if or else. If it is matching, right, again we made the problem here. You can see we created the let inside the block. This is a block, curly bracket open close, and we created the variable using the let that you cannot access out of the else. It will say undefined variable, right? So no problem. Inside only we can write. Inside we can write this line where we have written this line. Response dot send info. Else again response dot send info. Either this part it will return or this part it will return. Either success it will return or fail it will return. If success will come, then there will be name, full name property as admin. And if fail will come, full name will be empty. So this becomes a static. Static we are checking in the backend. Later once we communicate with the database. Okay, so done till here. Now we'll come to the React part. In React part, we can check this whether it is going to work or not. Okay, it is going to work or not. We can also test this file. Oh no. Okay, go here. So this one we created the API. Now how we'll come to know, how we'll see whether this API is going to work or not. We have to test it. Install this plugin. REST client. Click on this and install this plugin called REST client. Search here, REST client. Search REST, R-E-S-T, REST client. Install it. Installation completed. Now using that REST client, we can check whether the API you have created it is going to work or not. And after that, this API you can give to the React people, saying like use this API. But suppose a React node developer created the API and without testing given to React. Now React developer is trying in the correct way, but the problem is under the node file. Then what will happen? Whose mistake? Node mistake. Who will face the problem? React person. Later, after struggling on it, we will come to know the problem is under the node file. So before giving the any API to node React people, we have to test whether node is working or not. If it's working, then only we can give this API to the. Okay. So rest we have installed. Right. Now come in the node app folder only. Node app folder. We have to create one file. Let me check what will be the name of the file. The name of the file will be called any name, but extension will be .rest. Okay, any name, but extension will be .rest. Okay, so let's create a file under the node app. We'll try whether it is going to work on. Okay, give the file name called API test.rest. API test.rest. API test.rest. Okay, API test.rest. Now, what is the URL you have? Wait, okay, I'll take the sample code from here. It will be helpful. We can implement quickly. Right, we need to send in this commit only. 8 minutes. I will add this. We'll go to this file and what is our URL? Our URL is called login check. So localhost colon 5555/login check. And below content type. See in the beginning you have to give 3 hash. First write 3 hash. Then after that enter. Using post method, post and then write this URL. Post and then write this URL. Again after 1 space, post and then write this URL. Then enter content hyphen type application JSON. Again 1 space is required. Application JSON 1 space is required. Email ID admin@gmail.com. Password as a 123. Password 123. This code is coming to the chat also. You can copy and paste in this file. We are given their email ID admin@gmail.com. Password we are given here called 123. There also we are given the 123. Content hyphen type colon application / JSON enter. After that again enter, then within the block bracket add this. Okay. Next, return. Now how to test it? You can see send request option is coming. Send request, click on that. Send request. Click on that send request. See on the right side, you will get full name admin, status as a success. Status as a success. Now change your password 1234 and again send request. You will see full name empty, status as a false. Full name empty, status as a false. That meaning API we have written is correct. test happen like API is working properly. If input will come from the front end, then this will return this one. This space is matter. Let me remove this. See, space will be matter. Okay, so one line is space is required. One line space is required. One line break is required. Running. So you check with the right email ID and check with the wrong email ID. For anything put wrong. Now see, from here how many property you are sending? 2. Email ID and password. In the API.js, you are receiving here body.request.body email ID, request.body password. Email ID we store under the email, password we store under the pass. We are checking email is admin@gmail.com and password is 123. If yes, then this will be as a response. If no, then this will become as a response. Right here, once we communicate with the database, then we will use the async and await. So in case the Node.js will be little delay or Node.js will be busy in other process, then the front end will not be throw any error in urgent. Okay, it will wait till the server will respond either success or fail. Okay, so anyone whose code is not working or error, I will share you this API code also. API test.rest, API test.rest. You have created already, and from here we are able to check it. You can check some other URL also, like say in the API file you can see, in API file you can see, you have one URL here. You can see this URL same message here written. This also we can test. This also we can test. Okay, we have to just send some message and it will work. You can see this one, get file. This also we can test, and we can see here all data. Correct, all data. This also we can test. Come, try all data. Test here. 3 time line break, and then 2 time enter. Then enter. Get space http://localhost :5555/ what is that? All data. It is get method. So just directly create and then URL. Click on this send request. It will display the data list in the right hand side. It will show you the list of data in the right hand side. Okay, test happen. Data is coming. It is coming here. You can see 3 list of API, all data appear. So this way we can from here we can save also, list also, edit also, update also, everything we can. Okay. Now come. If anyone will ask, like suppose you are a Node.js developer, you are creating the API, how you will test the API? How will you test the API whether your API is working or not? Then you will say, I will install a REST client in VS Code extension, and after that I'll create a file, API test.rest, any file I'll create with the REST extension, and using that file, I can send a request to my API, and I can check whether my API is working properly or not. Okay. And if my API is working properly, then that API I will give to the front-end developer and he will use it. Now suppose this become the URL, of your application where the backend will run, and this become the JSON body. The front-end developer, when he will post the data, the variable will be same, but the value will come from a state variable. The variable will be same, whereas this value will come from a state variable in React. And after that, he will add under the JSON body, we create no post data variable. Content type we write application JSON, then we write call body, we write call method. Right? And finally, the front-end developer will understand, okay, on this URL, I have to send the data in this format. Remaining, he will be aware of how to call the API and how to post the data, he will do that. Okay? But if the error is available in this URL, front-end developer will struggle for 3-4 days and he will stop working. After that, back-end developer will come from the San Francisco after 10 days. He will ask, is it ready? Then he will say, like, I am waiting for your API is not working. Okay, or maybe person is sitting in the Australia and front-end developer is sitting in the India. For him, it will be the morning, 9 o'clock. For him, it will become the evening. Front-end developer will come to office. He will start working on the API. API will not work. He will struggle for 1-2 hours. He will leave. Then tomorrow again, he will come to Australian backend developer and he will see there is no updates. He will write the email to front-end developer. Front-end developer will come tomorrow morning. By then, it will become evening for him. Correct? He will come. He will see the email. Then he will reply the email. I tested all the way. It is not working. Then tomorrow again, meeting will happen evening time. Both parties will sit together. Then that fellow will come to know there is a problem in the backend one. This is how many days it will take? In my 1 week also. I work for a company where people has given me implement this, and my manager went to this one, South Korea. Okay, contactless meeting happen, not happen. He's busy in the air there, seeing the Korean people. Something he thinks some cockroach here there. After 20 days he came, he said like ready. I said no ready. Entire floor manager is tied up with the work. Okay, when I was facing the problem, everyone will come with a serum. We are facing the problem. I will help you. Okay, he will search on internet here there, and after that he will go. Then next 4-5 days he will not show the face because he came with a very good energy saying like I can help you. In front of many people he told I will help him, and after that unable to help. So what he will do? He will not come in the same lift. He will come in another lift. When he will see serum going in the lift number 1, he will not come in the lift. Why? Because there will be other people also. That fellow will ask in the lift only. I will find the solution. So he will not come in the lift. Who? The other manager who came with the food energy. I will help you. He will be waiting in the same lift, but he will wait. Once I will go, then he will come. Understood? No? He will inform to other manager. There is some problem in the call programming. He is facing the problem. Another manager will come with the full energy. Oh, you are in such team. This, that. I'll help you. He will come. He will struggle for 1 hour, 2 hours. He will go again. He will also not show the face for next before. All Satish will inform to some other manager, help him out. That manager will come with full energy. After that, he will not pick the phone of him also. Later, when all managers, senior, junior, everyone will come together, then they'll come to know what we are implementing. That is not possible. What we are implementing, that is not possible. Who will come to know? Who will inform? The project owner, the client, who is the whole and soul of the project. He will say, you people are implementing the wrong way. That way will not happen. It is designed like this. You have to come through this way, then it will happen. Now see, if we come to know in the first day only, this is not the route. The route is this. This entire resource, costly resource will not waste 1 month of time. They will implement that. Okay. Same condition will happen. Okay. Come. So this is working. Now we need to work to the where? We need to come to where? React part. In React file, you create a file called login.js. SRC folder, create a file login.js. See, to take your credit, no, someone else. You have worked on the so many days, so many months, so many here and there. Now to fix your problem, many people will come fully happy. Why? Because if they will spend half an hour, they will fix the problem. Then entire your credit will go to him. Understood? No? That way the people will capture you in the offices. When a person will feel like manager is coming, then your junior will start explaining you something. Why? Because when a manager will come, he will come to know this junior is explaining you. He will not speak something that day. Another day again the manager will come to your cabin. That fellow junior fellow will start explaining you something. Understood? What is happening is someone is trying to capture your position. Correct? One day manager will ask you, whenever I come to your cabin, that fellow will be explaining you. The junior person, what he will explain you? He has spoiled your name or not? That type of politics you have to manage. Where in the offices? Whenever you complete any task, immediately you need to send the email. Wherever you want to report it, immediately send it. Else, in your team, some other person send the email. This work is completed. Who has completed the work? You. Email is sent by whom? Someone else. When you will send the email after 2 hours, reply will come. I know that. Who will reply? Manager will reply. Yes, I know that. I know that. You will send the email. This is completed. Then he will reply. I know that. How you know? Yeah? Because someone else can send the email to him. Work is done by you. Credit gone where? Somewhere else. So those things you have to manage. Wherever you go and work, that you have to take care. Your credit, someone else will not pick it up. Okay. Come to this file. Login file. Import. Use state. Use effect is not required here. From React. Next. My login. Let username with name. Okay. Let password with password. Just it. Const. Write one more let. MSC. Update message. Use state. Const. Go login. Alert. Alert. Username plus. Next return. Division. Last name. Container. Row. Call LG. 4. 444. Next H3. Login. text center, right inside the division. This message variable also print here in the beginning after h3 in a paragraph. Print that in this variable. Okay, next after that, extra hyphen center, extra hyphen danger. Last name, mp3, table, enter email ID, input equal to text, input equal to email, right? Email after that, on change, no, class equal to on control, on change, vj, if name, target dot. Same thing, you will look for the next password also. MD4 you can use, we'll have sufficient space. Enter password, input type equal to password, pick password, then you need a button, center, button, login, is between icon primary, on click, go login. Okay, complete this. Completed. Okay, completed. Come call this file in app.js, not app.js, in index.js. Import this file in index.js directly. In index.js and app.js, what we have, let me see once. In app.js, we have written this all. Right. Okay, no problem. We can call in the app also. Import in app only, we can write the condition here. Import my login. My login. After that, we have to check a condition that user is login or not. If user is login, then we can display the application. If user is not login, then we will display something else. For that purpose, go to the if part, if condition. Under the app function, we have to write a if local storage dot get item, token number double equal to null, then return the whatever was there before. No, not null, hold on. 1 minute. Equal to null, then if it is a null, then we have to do something else we have to do something else. Something like this. You will write if and else. This becomes the if and this becomes the else. And right here call else and here. Else and this is function end. Append. Else and append. So first to write if else. Return if else. If user local storage get item token number. So this token number we are going to take from the backend. As of now in the API.js file we are returning only two things. Here you can see we are returning for full name and status. So whenever the success will happen, it will generate a number, token number dynamically, and that number will send to the client. And whenever any request will come from the client to server, it will Node.js will check that when you log in, I given a token number. When we log in, if login will be success, then Node.js will give one token number to whom? React. Then React login will be success. React will start displaying the project. Now React want user list. React will send a request to Node.js. Node.js will ask, I have given the token number when you log in. Give me the token number. Who will ask? Node.js. Node.js will compare the given token and the current token. When I given the token that time, and now you are giving the token, both numbers are same. If number are same, means request is coming from the right computer. If token number is different, then Node will say, no, I can't trust you. This is not a valid number. Means whoever I log in, I have given a token number to them. So whenever they want data, they will send me the token number. I will verify and then I'll give the data. But token number will not match, then Node will say, sorry, invalid request. Okay. So that token number we will be sending from here. Let's complete this part. API file written token number null. Then what to do? Return that one. My login. Return my login. You check in your browser which page is coming now. Right, so in the browser, which page is loading? Login page. In the browser, you can see it will show the login page. URL can be anything, but here what we are checking in local storage token number exists. If token number exists, means user has login. Node.js has given the token number, and JavaScript is React is holding the token number in local storage. If token number is null, means user is not login. Display which page? Login page. Okay, so login page should load. Login page should load. Now we need to check here email ID password what you are giving is coming as alert. Email ID password you enter here and see that is coming as alert or not. If alert is coming, then on change is working proper. If alert appear means on change is working properly. If alert appear, then on change is working. Then in app.js file, we don't have to do anything. We have to go directly to where? Login.js. From login.js, we have to send a request to backend to verify. If exist, then do needful. Not exist, then also do the needful. So come in this file and check here URL first. Let URL is equal to, you are written in the REST API, rest.test. This URL you can add there. After that you need login data equal to that property. Email ID will come from where? Will come from the username. Then next what you have? Password. Password will come from this password variable. So you are creating the property now. Left side is the property that you are receiving under the node. Okay, then I'll write you again. Write this. Okay, so this line is added. Now email ID before colon what you are written, it's a property that you are receiving in app.js here. Email ID, and after that what we are receiving? Password that you are sending here. Again before colon what we have? Password, and these both are getting the value from the text box. Coming down, see in the beginning only when you click on button, change this message. Please wait processing. Update message. Please wait. Validating. Please wait validating. So as soon as you click on button, login, message will come on the top. Please wait validating. After some time, either it will say success or fail. After some time, it will say success or fail. Now come down, post data. Post data equal to errors. Content type. Application/JSON. Errors application/JSON. Method. Post. Body. JSON.stringify. Login data. Next. Page function. URL common. Post data. Dot then. Response. Response.json. Dot then. Response.json dot then. User data. After writing this, we have to do something else. Complete it here. Alert. User data dot status. You are sending from there, from backend, status success and fail. Status success and fail. So alert it. Alert it. Enter the valid email ID password. Enter invalid email ID password. Valid, invalid, both try. See what it says. Let me complete, then I will send you. Now half what to send. I will complete, after that I will send you final code if you have not written. So ABC, I will write here, it's saying college, fail. Admin, password 1234, again fail. 123 if I send, it will say call success. Once it is success, then it has to redirect it to the other. Please check success fail. What is coming? Go login function, I'll share you complete. Go login function will come to your chat. Go login function is available in your chat. Okay, so we are getting successful. Now come to the API.js file. In API.js file, we will write a JavaScript random function. JavaScript random function. Random math.random something. Token. What is going to return? Math.random. Every time it will return some number. Okay. See, every time it's returning some number, we want this function only. Math.random. Go here, and if it is a success, then add one more property called token. Colon math.random. Token math.random. Else token empty. Math.random. Every time whenever the success will happen, it will give a new number to whom? Client. Client will get a unique token number. That will be given by whom? Node.js. Now Node.js will give a token number to React. React, whenever we send the data to backend, they have to send a token number. So that the backend will check this is the same token number I given long back. Okay. Token.math, token colon math.random return. Come to the React part again. In the React part, we will check here if user.status double equal to success, then update message will change here. Update message put in the beginning only and add here user.status, either success or fail, whatever will come from the backend. We need to pass here. If fail will come, then on the top message will change as a fail. If success will come, then on top message will change as a success. If it is a success, then we have to create the local storage here. Local storage dot set item. The token number, if you remember, that you are using in the app.js file, you are using one token number property. That token number we have to add here. Token number will come from there. It will come from user data dot token. And this token is given by whom? This token is given by user, not user, by the backend. Again, create one more here. Name or maybe full name. User status dot full name. And after that, window dot location dot reload. 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 Return window dot location dot reload. As soon as success will happen, page will be reload and it will display your dashboard data. Okay, success or fail. Let's check like this. First, I will write something wrong. I will write here. It will say call fail. Now 1, 2, 3 success. It will come to the where dashboard. In dashboard there will be logout button. Click on logout. Again it will go to where login page. And whoever is login, their name should display somewhere. Whoever is login, their name should display somewhere here in the small text below this. Node app we have written welcome. Below should display and then logout link. Click on that. It should get logout. Okay. So this page appear after login success. Okay. Next, after this, come to the header file. You have one header file. In header file, we have written in the beginning here, correct? H4. H4 was written on node app something something. So there, node app, let it be just below to that. Write one small tab. In a small tab, print the name of user. That is called local storage dot get item. Full name. Full name. Local storage dot get item full name. It will display the name of login user. Local storage dot get item full name. It will display the name of login user as admin. Explain. After that, write one bold logout also. And on the click of bold, call a function called logout. It's not written still. We have to write it logout function. On click equal to call the function called logout. Logout function we have to write below. Logout function. After this, you can write const logout local storage dot clear, and then window dot location dot reload. Window dot location dot reload. After logout, the page will get refreshed, and again it will display the login page. After logout, page will get refreshed, and again it will display the login page. Okay. Logout is happening. Logout, click, logout will happen. Again, admin@gmail.com, password 123, login, came. Go to any page and click on logout. Logout will happen. URL is anything, no matter. Data will come from login page. Without login, at any cost, it will not allow to go inside. If you click here, message will come from backend console.